Okay, so what is image of line in the plane? So this is a standard question. The plane is given and this is some line. तो इसकी इस प्लेन में इमेज क्या होगी? Obviously इमेज ऑफ दिस अब प्लेन है, उसके अंदर जो लाइन है उसकी इमेज एक लाइन ही होगी, और फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन वी कैन सी दैट इट्स अ लाइन इटसेल्फ. ओके, इस लाइन की इक्वेशन क्या दी हुई है? x माइनस 2 डिवाइड बाई 3 y माइनस 1 बाई 1 z माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई माइनस 4. लेट से सम r. इस यहाँ पे जो है that will be put over perpendicular. So let us say this is P, this is some Q, and this is some R. Q will be middle point of PR. So we can find Q. इस लाइन पे कोई भी पॉइंट, अच्छा ये जो लाइन है इसकी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. The plane is x plus y plus z equals to 7. So direction cosine of its normal will be 1, 1, 1. Direction ratios basically 1, 1, 1. So we can write the equation of line PQ. So what will be line PQ? Basically first let us take this point P. It will be in terms of some parameter R, 3r plus 2, r plus 1 minus 4r plus 1. This is point P. So line PQ will be x minus 3r plus 2 divided by 1, y minus r plus 1 divided by 1, z minus 1 minus 4r divided by 1. This is PQ. Let us take some other parameter r. Then the coordinates of Q will be in terms of r. What will be coordinate of Q? R plus 3r plus 2, comma, from this r plus 1, comma, r plus 1 minus 4r. That is point Q. Okay, now we need to find locus of R basically. ये जो तो we see that यहाँ पे जो Q point है, it is in term of parameter R and small r. So what will be R? Q will be nothing but P plus R by 2, the coordinate of Q vector. So that make यहाँ से we can say that R vector is nothing but 2Q vector minus P vector. So R के जो coordinate होंगे वो क्या होंगे? Twice of Q minus P. Twice of Q minus P. Okay, first thing, this point Q that lies on this. So from there we can get some relation R in terms of small r. Okay, so if put here this point, then sum these are 3r and 3r, 4r minus 4r will cancel each other. 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equals to 7. So from here we can say r is 1. So here r can be replaced by 1. So this will be 3r plus 3. This is r plus 2 and this is 2 minus 4r. So now twice of Q क्या होगा? Minus this plus twice of this 6r plus 6 minus P. What is minus P? What is P? P is minus 3r plus 2. Okay. Similarly here, second 2r plus 4 minus this r plus 1 and 4 minus 8r minus 1 minus 4r. This will be r. So r is 6r minus 3r is 3r, 6 is 4, 2r minus r is r, 4 minus 1 is 3. From here 4 minus 1 is 3 and minus 8r plus 4r is minus 4r. So that is coordinates of r. Okay, so we have okay, so coordinate of r is this. We are asked कि जो locus of r क्या होगा? That is our answer. So locus of r means x is equals to 3r plus 4. This gives x minus 4 divided by 3 is r plus 3 is y. So then again y minus 3 equals to r, and 3 minus 4r is z. From this we can say that z minus 3 divided by minus 4 equals to r. Now these three terms are equal, so x minus 4 divided by 3, y minus 3 divided by 1, z minus 3 divided by minus 4. So this is the answer, which is in line itself. So x minus 4, 3, y minus 3, z minus 3. Okay, so C is the answer. Okay, समझ में आ गया. Now next question. If theta is theta is in the third quadrant, cos theta is minus 12 and tan theta by 4. Okay. Theta is from pi to 3 pi by 2. Okay. So then theta by 2 will be from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 4, and theta by 4 will be from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 8. So this is third quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is first quadrant. हमें पूछा गया tan theta by 4, so first quadrant में tan theta positive होगा. So this cannot be our answer, this cannot be, because these two are negative. So इनमें से ही कोई हमारा आंसर है. So 50% तो ऐसे ही eliminate हो गया, बट सोल्व तो हमें करना पड़ेगा. So cos theta is minus 3 by 5. Okay. From this we can say that 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 equals to minus 3 by 5. Cos theta को half angle में convert किया. From here we can say that cos theta by 2 is 1 minus 3 pi by 2 by 2. Okay, so this is 1 by 5. From there we can say cos theta by 2 is equals to plus minus 1 by root 5. Now theta by 2 is a second quadrant जहाँ पे कि cos negative होता है. So cos theta by 2 is minus 1 by root 5. This भी है. हमें चाहिए tan theta by 4. इसको we can write sin, let us say tan square theta by 4, sin square theta by 4 divided by cos square theta by 5. Sin square theta को we know this formula that sin square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Similarly cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Opposite here actually, this is minus and this is plus. These formulas we know, so apply these here. This will be 1 minus cos twice of this, so theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta by 2. Value put कर देते हैं. cos theta by is minus 1 by root 5, so 1 plus 1 by root 5, 1 minus 1 by root 5. So this is root 5 plus 1, root 5 minus 1. Okay, so let us rationalize the tan square theta by 4 is, if we multiply by root 5 plus 1, तो ऊपर तो हो जाएगा root 5 plus 1 का स्क्वायर, और a square minus b square, 5 minus 1 is 4. From this tan theta by 4 is root 5 plus 1 by 2 plus minus, but tan theta by 4 तो first quadrant में 5 by 4 to 3 by 8, so it will be positive value only. So our answer is root 5 plus 1 by 2. So I hope समझ में आ गया होगा. Simple implementation of trigonometric formulas. Okay, this integration we are asked a into b क्या होगा. Okay, so we see that this is written in terms of x square minus 1. So let us assume x square minus 1 is t square. T square इसलिए because the root में. From here we can write x dx equals to t dt. So let us convert this integration. T dt divided by x, dx will be t dt by x, and here this is x plus root x square minus 1. No, I don't think इससे कुछ फायदा होगा. We have to proceed by some other method here. Okay, so dx divided by x plus root x square minus 1 whole square. Okay, let us rationalize it. So x minus root x square minus 1 के होल स्क्वायर से भी मल्टीप्लाई इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, देन ये क्या हो जाएगा a प्लस b इंटू a माइनस b. सो x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 दैट इज 1. नाउ इट इज वेरी सिंपल. लेट अस एक्सपांड इट. x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 माइनस 2x root x square minus 1 dx. So this is 2x square minus 1 minus 2x root x square minus 1 dx. Now it is very simple integration. ये क्या आएगा 2x cube by 3. 1 का integration is minus x. Here if we take x square minus 1 as t square, then 2x dx is equals to 2t dt. So this will be 2t into t dt. So this is 2x cube by 3 minus x minus 2 by 3 t cube. T cube is x square minus 3 by 3 plus c. Now compare these two. So a is equals to 2 by 3 minus x is minus x. B is minus 2 by 3. 1 by b will be minus 3 by 2. So but this is plus 3 by 2. So I think यहाँ पे it should be minus. Then b will be plus 2 by 3. 1 by b. I think there is some printing mistake. There will be minus b. Then what will be ab? Ab will be 2 by 3 का whole square, so 4 by 9. So b is the answer. Let us take next question. Okay, so what is next question? Okay, fx is this, then range of the function sin inverse जो x function है, we know that उसकी जो range होती है sin inverse let us say some z, so this की range तो minus pi by 2 square root होती है, but that is possible only when z takes all values from minus 1 to 1. Now we have to see that x square plus 1 by x square की values कहाँ से. X is greater than 0, so this will be obviously greater than 0. It can be 0 as well when x is 0. Now x square is being divided by 1 plus x square. This is some positive term, so this will be less than 1. Simple. If 1 is being divided by 1 plus 2, that will always be less than 1. So this is our argument in this. So sin inverse x is an increasing function. So if we take sin inverse both sides, then this will be sin inverse x square 1 plus x square is less than sin inverse 1, that is pi by 2. So our answer is 0 included and pi by 2 excluded. So B is the answer. So let us take next question. 15. The solution of the differential equation where c is constant, the sum of all the possible values of lambda. Okay, so this is quadratic in dy by dx. Let us say dy by dx is some m. So then it will be 1 by x square m square minus pi by x m plus 6 equals to 0. So m is equals to minus b square minus 4 ac upon 2a. So this is 1 by x. So 5 by x plus minus 1 by x divided by 2 by x square. That is 6 by x into x square by 2, or 4 by x into x square by 2. This is 3x or 2x. This means dy by dx is equals to 3x or 2x. So y is equals to 3x square by 2 plus some constant or x square plus c2. So this is given lambda x square plus c, so lambda can be 3 by 2 or 1. Sum of all possible value of lambda is 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 5 by 2. So आसान है बहुत. Great. So next question. The number of tangent with positive slope that can be drawn from the origin to the curve. Okay. Y equals to sin x. This is curve. Let us say this is this curve. This is 0 0. यहाँ से कितनी टेंजेंट इस पर ड्रॉ की जा सकती है जिनकी की स्लोप पॉजिटिव. व्हाट इज स्लोप एट दिस कर्व? दैट इज dy by dx that will be cos x. Okay, so यहाँ पे पॉइंट होएगा सम लेट अस से x कॉमा या सम l x कॉमा sin x, तो इसकी स्लोप क्या आएगी sin x divided by x, that has to be equals to cos x. Okay, so basically yeah, so that is tan x divided by x. so इस क्वेश्चन के जितने सॉल्यूशन होंगे उतने ही पॉसिबल वैल्यूज होगी टेंजेंट्स की विद पॉजिटिव स्लोप. अच्छा, दिस हैज टू बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, तो ये तो बहुत पॉसिबिलिटीज है. tan x क्या होता है 0 पे 0, पाई बाई 2 पे इन्फिनिटी and so on. So this will be like this as such, and y equals to x, so it will cut at many points. Okay, so there are infinite set tangent, or we can see like this also. Cos x is an slope of this tangent. Cos x will be positive in first quadrant, fourth quadrant, then again 2 pi plus. So there are infinitely many such values. Okay, let us take next question. A complex number z is said to be unimodular if its modulus is 1. Z and 1 and Z2 are complex numbers such that the expression given is an unimodular and Z2 is not unimodular, means modulus of Z2 is not 1, then the point Z1. Locus of Z1 पूछा है and it is given that Z1 minus 2Z2 divided by 2 minus Z1 Z2 bar modulus is 1. So simple है इसको, we have to simplify. That is equals to 2 minus Z1 Z2 bar. Let us square it. Then this is modulus of Z1 square, modulus of 2Z2 square, that is 4, modulus of Z2 square minus twice and twice 4 real part of Z1 Z2 bar. Similarly here 4 plus Z1 Z2 bar modulus square minus 2 and real part of Z1 Z2 bar into 2 bar is 2 itself. So these will cancel each other out. We have modulus Z1 square plus 4 modulus Z2 square minus 4 minus modulus Z1 square modulus Z2 square equals to 0. So modulus Z1 square is equals to 1 minus modulus Z2 square plus 4 modulus of Z2 square minus 1 equals to 0. यहाँ से we can take, if we take minus out, then Z2 square is equals to 1 or modulus Z1 square minus 4 equals to 0. So, but this is not possible because it's given that modulus Z2 is not 1. So we have modulus Z1 square is 4, means modulus Z1 is 2. This is nothing but a circle with center at origin and radius 2. This is Z1, then modulus Z1 equals 2. So it's a circle of radius 2. So it's very simple question. The only thing which was useful here was the application of this formula of modulus Z1 Z2 square is equals to modulus Z1 square plus modulus Z2 square plus twice of real Z1 Z2 bar. Okay, I hope ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Let us move to next question. Question